burn myself. I won't be able to eat this for 3 to 4 hours.
Not at all what you expect.
No. Honestly, I wasn't excited going into this one. I was worried. That's not. We're sure this is off a turkey? Ah! Man.
Is that not unbelievable?
That is crazy. I don't understand this. This is interesting. Why is this so good? It's so juicy for what it is. The ribs.
Yeah.
Turkey ribs.
Ribs off a turkey.
The ribs of a turkey, everybody. I've thrown away so many of these in my life.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you carve up the turkey, gone.
Yeah.
I don't need that. I'm gonna have to revisit my butchery. How do I even get this out of here?
I don't know.
Next time I'm doing a turkey,
Oh,
I'm gonna have to figure it out.
I'm cutting them out.
Yeah. All right, like I said, I'm gonna have to revisit my butchery. Give it to me! Give it to me!
Mm-hmm.
That's not something I've ever. Are chicken ribs good?
I don't know. Carp ribs are good if you get one big enough.
Yeah, that's a different world.
Yeah.
Technically, the entire fillet is ribs. Yeah, that is very hot. Jesus.
It's unbelievable how good that is.
Yeah. All right. All right. Take us out, Adam.
Sorry, I was getting after another rib. Well, this is the first time I've ever cooked them. They turned out amazing. I hope you guys can do the same thing at your house because these are unbelievable. It just say a turkey rib.
It's so weird.
It's so weird, but they're so
weird.
delicious. I would definitely like to thank Crestwood Meats. They are the ones who had the turkey ribs on the shelf. It's the first time I've been able to find them anywhere. If you all want some turkey ribs, go up to Crestwood Meats, check them out.